Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want more visibility and faster sales, boosting your marketplace listing turns it into a paid ad that reaches more people beyond organic search. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to boost a listing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what's boosting a listing means? So boosting allows you to show your listing to more people, appear in Facebook feeds, reach buyers outside your immediate radius, get faster engagement. So it's different from renew or relist. This is paid promotion. So first thing, open your Facebook application. Okay, tap the marketplace icon. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. Go to your listings. So tap your profile icon. Okay, select your listings. Choose an active listing. Okay, open the listing. Okay, you should. So I don't have any active listings so far. I have one listing that is in review. So tap this one. Okay, or you don't have to tap it. As you can see, you can tap it from the outside. Okay, so you can tap boost listing here. Okay, and if you don't see it, the listing may not be eligible. Okay, so choose daily or total budget, select campaign duration, for example 3 to 7 days. Higher budget equals wider reach. Okay, and longer duration equals sustained visibility. Okay, and start small if testing performance. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.